It is easy to find the advantages of life in a coastal city during the year's warmer months. But in order to get to know the charms of the sea in the winter, you need skills and courage. Tien and Rupert are students in Varna's Medical University and are of the few here who dare to ride the waves in winter. For them, this is not only a challenge, but also a good way to refresh their thinking during the long winter exam session.
Actually, surfing helps a lot, so because we can get our head clear, we have lots of studying to do, and then at some point you just need some balance, so we go out, get some sports done, get our head clear, and that's why it actually is pretty helpful, I find.
Is this a good day for surfing?
Today now it's a bit small, but in the morning it was nice. Yeah, it's actually quite cold, but yeah, it's all right. For surfing, it's okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Look at the exams.
Bye.
Bye.